kitten was quietly enjoying playtime with his toy while Mother Cat prepared a meal in the kitchen. Suddenly, the doorbell rang. It was Chucky, who greeted them both with a cheerful smile. The kitten and Chucky quickly began to play together, full of excitement. Later, they decided to do some painting. During their activity, paint accidentally spilled onto the kitten's clothes. Wanting to clean up, the kitten placed his outfit in the washing machine. Out of curiosity, he climbed inside. Unaware of the danger, Chucky accidentally pressed the start button. The machine began to spin, trapping the kitten inside. The kitten cried out in panic and pain, but by the time the machine stopped, he was seriously hurt. Chucky, frightened and overwhelmed, immediately called Mother Cat and told her everything. She rushed home in fear, only to find her little one injured and lying on the floor. Now, the kitten is in critical condition, and all we can do is hope and pray for his recovery.